Hello, everybody. Hello, Ava, baby.
All right. Are we ready on Pearson?
Pearson.
We're about to bring them out.
Okay, thank you. Madam Clerk, while we're waiting, can you give me that case number for Pearson?
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
It's 210000625-01-LC.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Erin Dan for the people, P787.
Oh, no. We're not on the record just yet.
I'll just give you
Yeah, I have to add it to the calendar, to the docket. I will be ready in just a moment. All right. I'm sorry. That case is ending in 625, correct?
Yes.
Okay, ready.
Calling case 210000625, People versus Andre Pearson. We're here for a motion hearing. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Erin Dan for the people, P78733.
Mr. Pearson, are you there?
Yes, Andre Pearson.
Thank you. Mr. Pearson, I called your case back today because after inquiry, I realized that you were still in the Wayne County Detention Facility. And we tried to contact WC3 district to confirm your status as a student there, and to, more importantly, if you're enrolled, to find out what your class hours are so that I could fashion a modified bond provision. We weren't able to confirm that you are in fact enrolled in school. So that's where we are.
Judge, if I may.
Yes.
I'm sitting in the courtroom with Mr. Pearson. You know, I've been on the record with Mr. Pearson multiple occasions, and I know that the evidence and the testimony that was taken ultimately at the first trial revealed that Mr. Pearson has in the past suffered from a drug addiction or some drug issues. Mr. Pearson is acting physically right now in a way that I have never seen him act before, and it's really concerning to me, Your Honor. I'm wondering, and I don't mean to speculate, but I'm wondering if potentially he could be going through some sort of withdrawal. I don't know. All I know, Judge, is that his eyes are closed, he's shaking back and forth, and his head was down, and he was kind of bent over at the waist a little bit a couple of minutes ago, and there might be some sort of medical concern there. Respectfully.
Thank you. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. I can see Mr. Pearson, but I can't see those details. Mr. Pearson, can you hear me okay?
Right now, the deputy is encouraging Mr. Pearson to sit down, and Mr. Pearson is bent at the waist. Eyes are closed, hands are closed.
All right. So I think this is what we need to do. I think we need to get Mr. Pearson to the hospital right now. And I'm going to set another date for bond. Well, actually, I'll go ahead.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt this court, but now Mr. Pearson's legs are out and his eyes are closed, and the deputy had to help him to the chair. He looks like he was shaking a little bit.
Yes, I can see that. So I'm going to reinstate the house arrest bond, because even though I wasn't able to confirm his school status, it occurred to me that perhaps they weren't responding because of who was doing the asking, which is this court. And I don't know what their policy is. But Mr. Pearson, when we were last in court, seemed to be pretty comfortable with the idea of my confirming his school status. So I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt that he is in fact enrolled in school. And I will I don't think I need to bring the case back now that I'm thinking about it. I can just modify the bond.
Judge, I think 911 needs to be called.
Okay, let's do that.
And Judge, while 911 is being called, I would ask that if he is going to be on house arrest, that drug testing be a part, regular drug testing be a part of the conditions of his bond.
Absolutely, that makes perfect sense. And you are actually reading my mind. I also want him to have an assessment, but I don't think that I can do that for a pretrial bond condition.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So we will have, thank you, we will have random drug screenings.
Oh, he's on the floor. He just had a seizure.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Golden,
Yes.
can you please contact court administration and ask if there is anyone here who has medical training, might be able to come and do a quick assessment of Mr. Pearson while we're waiting for the ambulance?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, we're going to go off the record, but just to make clear, I'm going to modify the bond for the house arrest drug screening when he's released from the hospital. And I'm going to add that his hours for the house arrest tether could be adjusted based on verified school enrollment. Mr. Pearson, if you can hear me, we're hoping for the best for you.
Andre, stay with us.
All right, we're off the record.
Yeah.
You guys diabetic or anything?
He's a drug addict, is what he is.
He's going through withdrawal.
Maybe does anybody have Narcan?
Everybody's here, step out. I need everybody in the courtroom.
I'm wondering if there's someone in the building who would have a Narcan supply. I would imagine that this isn't the first time that this has happened in this courthouse.
2 days,
2 days.
and to my knowledge.
Okay.
Breathing.
Judge, I'm gonna leave the courtroom. If the court would like anything from me, please let me know.
I will, thank you.
Ms. Golden, can you please provide me an update? Did you get it?
What's his name?
Andre Pearson.
I'm just gonna send information out to you.
207315.
You've been in jail that long?
He's been in and out, has it?
Yeah, that's it.
Did I hear the deputies asking how long Mr. Pearson's been in jail?
Yes, ma'am.
So that was on the 13th?
Of March, ma'am?
Yes. So just a couple of days ago.
His paperwork is over there. I had to grab him right when we did a move.
The one, where over where?
It's in registry. He was like,
He was an add-on?
yeah, they had him this morning.
Yeah.
So I ran over to grab him.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
so I'm looking at the order that was
Yep.
entered on 3/13. The notes say that it was a reinstatement of the previously posted bond, but the actual PDF is that order that I entered allowing Mr. Pearson to obtain, well, to be able to have access to his phones at the police station. So can you correct that that note that says on 313, reinstate previously posted bond, because I didn't reinstate the previously posted bond on
It's only $20
on the 13th.
It was two. It was the him getting his.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see. They're just switched. I see it now. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so I don't know if Ms. Dan is still in there, but we already modified the bond for fair.
Cause I try to just stay stressed.
So we entered that bond on the 13th, so I'm not really sure why he's even still in jail.
That's gonna come.
Where they're waiting on, if he doesn't need a calendar, anything else has paper that says.
Do you understand how what's going on with that, Madam Clerk?
Let me see.
Pearson PER, so
PEAR.
you diabetic too? No.
Because actually, I think, oh my goodness. Let's see, emergency. Oh, looks like there was an emergency motion filed today. What is?
And get you some more. You want some more? Yeah.
Oh, I see you did. It is switched.
I'm really confused. So there was a motion filed this morning. Let's go back on the record for Pearson. Hold on one moment.
Then she had left.
I know, that's okay. That's okay.
You want me to get her out the hallway, Your Honor? She went back to her.
Yes, if she is in the hallway.
I guess she went back to her office.
Okay, so maybe let's ask her to call on Zoom because she probably should hear this.
Just one moment.
How's Miss? I see Mr. Pearson is sitting up. That's a good sign.
Yeah, dehydration and so much, I guess, overwhelmed.
Who's that talking?
That's Mr. Pearson.
Oh, good. Mr. Pearson, we're going to go back on the record for your case momentarily. We're just waiting for Ms. Dan to join us on Zoom, and I'm so glad that you've recovered from what was really a scary incident just now.
Thank you.
Okay, she's here now. So that's the case ending in 625, right, Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we're ready.
Recalling case 21-000-625, People versus Andre Pearson. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Erin Dan for the People, P78733.
Thank you for jumping on so quickly. And I hear you putting your name on the record, Mr. Pearson. Will you state your name again, sir?
Andre Pearson for defense.
All right, thank you. Mr. Pearson, we recalled your case because you had a medical crisis while we were on the record just a little bit ago. I'm glad that you're doing better. I still think that you should be seen by a doctor, but I'm glad that you're better now. So I brought this case back today because Mr. Pearson.
Sorry about that, Your Honor.
Okay.
Judge, my sound is really bad on my phone and my phone is literally about to die. Can I just come down to the courtroom?
Well, EMS is on the scene right now. Before they take Mr. Pearson, I just wanted to let Mr. Pearson know that I am releasing him today.
Yeah.
He'll have house arrest with a GPS tether, but it can be modified by pretrial services upon verification of his school enrollment and class hours. We did try to confirm your school enrollment and class hours, Mr. Pearson, but no one responded to our email inquiries. And after I realized no one was going to respond, I brought the case back because I did not want to wait longer to reevaluate your bond. So I'm saying all of that to say that you'll be released today. Looks like the paramedics are attending to your current health situation. You'll be on house arrest at the address that we have on file for you. And you can go to school as long as you provide verification of your class hours to pretrial services. Do you understand?
Yes.
And Judge,
Now,
can
we
we
have
ask for a drug testing as well?
Yes, I'm glad you mentioned that. I'm going to put drug testing in the order. And that's going to be random drug testing, Mr. Pearson. And I want to be sure that there's no substance abuse issue that we need to address with you. This isn't by way of punishment in any way. Just want to be sure that you stay with it.
Well, it's not drug related, Your Honor, it's just, only thing you'll find is.
Well, what I'll do then is I'm going to institute random drug screens. If after 2 they're negative, then the order will cease for drug screens. Okay?
Yeah.
Your Honor, how much is the bond, since you're not reinstating what was there?
So I am reinstating it unless I'm confused about what it is. I thought that the bond was $50,000, cash surety 10%, house arrest unless school hours are verified. Isn't that right? That's what I signed already, right?
Let me check again, because I'm thinking it was 25. Just one moment.
Well, it probably was, and I'm misremembering. By the way, we do have, and you should be aware of this, Ms. Dan, too. We do have a motion for reduction of bond that was filed this morning. I didn't notice it until we were off the record of when we called the case originally today. That was filed on Mr. Pearson's behalf by Mr. Cripps. Mr. Pearson, does that mean that Mr. Cripps is representing you in this case and you're no longer pro se or in pro?
Mr. Chris not representing me in this case, Your Honor. I'm still representing myself.
Well, how did Mr. Cripps file a motion in your case?
It might be from a previous motion that he filed last time.
No, this was filed this morning. Have you spoken to Mr. Cripps since the last time you were before me?
No.
Well, maybe Mr. Cripps is your guardian angel and he filed this motion on your behalf. You should be aware of that, because I'm going to give you my spiel about representing yourself. I'm going to make it very brief because you obviously are otherwise.
It's embedded in the already.
Mr. Pearson, please don't interrupt me when I'm talking. It's hard enough to communicate over Zoom, and I wouldn't want you to do that if I were sitting right there in the courtroom. You're going to have to get used to that. We can't talk at the same time, and I get really annoyed when people interrupt me. I'm advising you, as I will every single hearing that you come before me, that you should strongly consider allowing me to appoint counsel to represent you. And that's my spiel for today. See, it's been abbreviated. We're going to come back on, we already have a date set for trial in this matter, but we're going to come back sooner to see how the bond is working out. We have trial on April 15th. Let's come back in at the end of March.
End of March. March the 28th.
Mr. Pearson, does March 28th work for you, sir? Just to come back for a review so we can see, it's going to be a pre-trial. Make sure we don't have any outstanding issues before trial. Does that date work, March 28th?
Yes, it does.
Okay. And because it's a pretrial, if you like and you are compliant with your bond, of course, you can appear via Zoom. You as well, Ms. Dan.
Thank you.
And I didn't ask if that date works for you, does it?
It's fine, Your Honor. Yes.
Oh, okay, so we'll see everybody March 28th at 9 a.m. And Mr. Pearson, take care of yourself, please, sir. Okay, we're off the record. Yes, please. Is he okay? Does he need any water? We have
You
water.
got him, so Judge. He's got water,
Okay.
Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
So, okay. Say, Sarge. Can I have a word with you?
I first time doing this.
Mhm.
So who I did is I have one.
I wanted the deputy to meet you and try to come with you. Absolutely.
Okay. So Madam Clerk, we entered that order already, so there's really nothing to do except to enter a separate order for, well, you know what, we do need to, we'll just modify the bond order. Not enter a separate order to add the drug screening, 2 drug screens, and if negative, terminate drug screens. That's all we need to add.
Okay, we'll probably read just.
Okay,
You want me to, just do another order saying drug screening or?
Absolutely. Okay.
yes, same language as the one that we entered on the 13th, but, oh, and can you, while he's here, can we give him a copy of that order? For the, it'll say the previously posted bond reinstatement, that order, let's give him a copy of that because that's the one he needed for the discovery, to go to the police station and look at the phone content. So let's give him a copy of that and we'll modify the bond just to add the language, drug screening, random drug screening until 2 negative. If 2 are negative, then the drug screening will stop. So you just put it in whatever words you think work. You're pretty good at being more concise than me. Feel better, Mr. Pearson?
Just tomorrow.
Paperwork. I know, but I didn't bring any paperwork. I need to bring some back. To worry about. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. We appreciate it. Here's an enzyme, let's just think about the state of that. What's that?
Madam Clerk, are APA Moore and Mr. Gozi in the courtroom? I can't tell.
No, they out in the hallway until they able to come back in. I'm
Okay.
emailing, emailing you the, plea form.
Oh, we have it. Okay, wonderful. Okay, I don't see it yet. Did you already email or you're about to?
I'm about to, sorry.
Okay. No, take your time. I just thought you said you had, so I'm fine. No problem.
I just sent it.
What the hell's been going on? Corporal Collins, they've they finally found me. We need numbers for, I'm 1573. Who the hell is that? Some other jackass? They're everywhere, trust me. No. He's had a sick person sent out to the hospital. Nope.
Well, you know what? I'll just eat some real estate.
Yeah. Pearson, Pearson, first name's Andre. It's 20. $73.15. Yeah, Diplomatic 6. All right, good talk, ladies. We'll talk to you soon, buddy. Bye.
Thank you so much. Does he have his order, Golden, for the phone
Yes.
access? Okay. All right, we'll see you soon, Mr. Pearson.
Oh, he's gone now.
Okay, good. Good. Madam Clerk, I think Mr. Pearson was right. I just noticed the date on this motion, and it was for March 15, 2021. But that's the last thing that's just a coincidence that it was today's date. I didn't pay attention. Yeah, I didn't pay attention to the year.
He doesn't have a list.
Well, now
of
Mr.
attorneys.
Pearson is thinking Mr. Cripps is his guardian angel. He may call to thank Mr. Cripps. And Mr. Cripps won't know what is going on. But oh well.
Did you get the email?
Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I said I did. I did. Thank you.
Okay.
And you're right, the bond was, we did change the bond to 25,000. I guess you can probably see that, but yes.
Yes. I'm switching it in the Odyssey because I see it was confusing. The way the.
Well, I know it's in there though, so don't put yourself to any more trouble. As long as, but just make sure that the order that was for 313 stays in there so that the file properly reflects that the bond was actually changed on the 13th rather than today, and then we're modifying it today.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
Instead of just doing a separate order, you wanted me to.
Yeah, just keep everything that's already in there, already in Odyssey, just keep everything in Odyssey, even though the switching, that's not a problem. Just keep those as they are, and we'll do a separate order with all of the same provisions as the March 13th order, but adding random drug screens after 2 negative drug screens end.
Okay.
Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.